going to prepare a traditional Moroccan dish known as beef and acorn squash tagine. So now we're going to gather the ingredients to prepare the stewing beef for our beef tagine, and preheat the oven and preheat our tagine on top of the stove to brown the beef. The ingredients that we'll need for this stage are stewing beef, flour, kitchen connoisseurs Moroccan spices, which are an alluring aromatic blend of saffron and cinnamon and other spices from the Middle East, fleur de sel, which is a nice salt from Portugal, and freshly ground black pepper. What we're going to do is take and mix the dry ingredients together in a bowl so that they're evenly blended, and then we're going to add them into the meat. I like to sift the flour first, a spoon, because it makes it nice and light and prevents it from clumping on the meat. So I just use a little sift and take that right through. Then we're going to mix in the Moroccan spices, some fleur de sel, and the pepper. What you want to do is make sure that that's nicely blended in your bowl before you add it to the meat.